Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the creative spot where I show you and inspire you on how I create some of my fashion designs. This particular video is going to be about showing you guys the technique on how I created this bracelet. You can be very versatile with this particular technique and literally create whatever style you want out of this, style of bracelet. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more amazing tutorials coming up soon. Have fun! So here is a close-up look of the cuff bracelet we're going to be making. As you can see, it's a showstopper, okay? A few things I would like you to take note on are I used beads and stones that complement each other. They all go very well together and are all within the same color family, just different shades, so like different shades of gold. Now, as far as the materials and tools we're going to be using memory wire for our structure. It maintains its shape and is quite flexible, so it gives us that cuff look that we're going for. It also makes the bracelet versatile in size, so one size fits all, or fits most. This is an 18 gauge craft wire in silver, and I know you might be wondering why I chose silver. Well, that was what I had at home. Next in line, we have the round nose plier to make loops on our memory wire and craft wire, which is very handy. We have the cutter to cut the craft wire. We also have another cutter specially made to cut only memory wire. So I think it's called memory wire cutter, because the memory wire is quite strong. It's very strong. The first step is cutting individual rounds of memory wire, making sure they overlap by approximately 1 centimeter on each end, like so. We want to cut 32 in total. That is if you want your bracelet to be as wide as mine, and if you want yours less wide, then adjust accordingly. We are now going to start stringing the beads on the memory wire. I'm going to assign different number of wire for each bead, and for some beads, I'm going to be mixing them on the same row. So we're going to start with this one. We will now string the beads on each round. But first, we will make a loop on the end of the memory wire using the round nose plier like so. Just twist the end of the memory wire until it forms a circle, making sure the circle is closed. We will do this for all the rounds before stringing the beads, otherwise the beads will fall off at the other end. Repeat the same for all the beads. As for the rhinestones, each stone has 4 holes, 2 at the top and another 2 at the bottom. Use one round for the top and the other for the bottom. This gives the rhinestone stability so it's not moving around. We will now cut our craft wire to connect all the rounds together. I measured about 5 inches, I believe. So cut 2 for each end, and depending on how wide your bracelet is gonna be, you don't have to cut 5 inches. Just adjust it according to the width of your bracelet. Make a loop on each end of the craft wire. We will use this bead as a spacer for every rows of round we place in the wire. For the bigger beads, I put 1 bead spacer per row. For the smaller beads, I put about 3 rounds before or after a spacer. Use your discretion. The spacer also gives the bracelet structure. Once all the rounds have been added, cut the excess craft wire, leaving enough to make a loop. We're all done. I hope you're inspired and you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you leave your comments down below, like and subscribe for more, and don't miss out. Trust me, I have more exciting things coming and you do not want to miss out. Thank you.